Hello and good day. My name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmermarketing.com, and in today's video, what I'd love to share with you is going to be internal linking from your service pages to your location pages. So I want to really talk to you, small business owner, because I know you are maybe in one state, right? You're operating in one state, maybe even in a certain county, but you want to know, well, how do I internally link? Because my pages aren't indexing. My pages aren't being seen. I don't know what to do. I don't have a location in this area. Should I have a location page? Let me answer all those questions for you. And I'm going to show you how to internally link them. I'll draw it out for you. I'll use an example. I'll use one state. I'll use cities. I'll use towns. And I'll answer those questions for you. Now, before I do, if you have any future questions related to SEO or anything at all, head on over to chrispalmermarketing.com. Whether you need services, I have every service you can imagine. Consultation, you just need some help, I have you covered. Or if you want to learn in a group or get a training, check out the mastermind. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into some examples. All right, so what we're going to use as an example is, let's say that we have a website. All right, it's www.chrispalmer.org. Okay, so we have chrispalmer.org, and Chris Palmer, what is he? Well, he's an attorney. So I'm an attorney that offers multiple services. Now, it doesn't matter. You could be a plumber. You could be a chiropractor. You could be a dog walker, a hair salon. It doesn't matter. I'm just using attorney, okay, because I know the business. So we are an attorney, and we offer car accident. We do car accidents. We do truck accidents, right? We do personal injury, all right? Now, we operate in one state. The state is PA, all right, so Pennsylvania. So here's our state. Here's the services we provide. And then this right here, we do Hazleton. We do Wilkes-Barre. We do Kingston, okay? These are cities and towns. We do Hanover, okay? And the list goes on. But here's our multiple locations, here's our services, and here's the state that we operate in. So our website.com, we know that that's going to be about our brand, who we are, what we do, where we're at, and where we do it, right? And all of our contact information. You have that covered. Now, what we need to start targeting is that we need to figure out, well, let's say that we're just focusing on one service. So for this example, what we're going to do is we're going to create a page, a service page, a top level service page. I'm making a page right here, okay? This is a web page. This page is going to be focused on car accidents. Now remember, we're only in one state, right? You with me so far? So we have website.com, which is chrispalmer.org. We're operating in Pennsylvania, and we're focused on one service, which in this instance is car accidents. So what does that look like inside the structure? Well, let me go ahead and write that for you. www.chrispalmer.org/car accidents. Okay, so now we have our car accidents page. That's this page right here. All right, so let's just so you know, this is this. Okay, so now we're on this page. Now this car accidents page, because we only operate in one state, is going to be about car accidents Pennsylvania, but we're a lawyer, so we're car accident lawyer, Pennsylvania. Now, if you're hyper specific, you don't have to target the state. Because what I did is I actually wrote out towns or cities, these are towns, that are in a specific county. You could target a county, you could target a state. It's completely up to you. In this example, though, what I'm targeting is going to be state. I want to go broad because I have big dreams. I want to target the whole state, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to build out the car accidents page is going to be focused on, we're going to optimize for car accidents Pennsylvania, okay? So this page, again, is tuned for car accidents Pennsylvania. Now, I have multiple towns or cities that I service. Now, when we're internally linking, we only internal link other pages that are the same. Why? Because we want to be perceived as the authority. because you are the authority. So we only want to internally link other services that are alike in the same area. So what we would do is we would build out our car accident lawyer Hazleton, car accident lawyer Wilkes-Barre, car accident lawyer Kingston, car accident lawyer Hanover. We would build out these pages and we would internally link from our top level page to those pages. Let's pretend, for instance, that this right here, whoops, let's go back. I can write these out. So Hanover, right? Kingston, Wilkes-Barre, and Luzerne, okay? Control C. These are the cities that we're in, okay? These are still cities in the same place. Control C. Now what we're going to do is we're going to write that same text on this page. Now remember, the page I'm on here is the Car Accident Lawyer Pennsylvania page. I'm internally linking to all of my other city pages that are the same service. So my Car Accident Lawyer Hanover page, my Car Accident Lawyer Kingston, Wilkes-Barre, Luzerne. And what that would look like is, here we'll do another page. Okay? And this page is internally linked from here to here. And what this page is are these. Okay? These are our city pages. And what that would look like is this. https://chrispalmer.org/car accidents /car accident lawyer Kingston /, okay? Just like this. All right? So this page here we can make it bigger. Bring this down to here. Bring this over. Here, this, get rid of that. Okay, does this make sense? Hopefully this does. Here's our page. This is optimized for the state, car accidents plus state. On that page, we're internally linking to all of our other location pages that have to do with car accidents. This is the car accident state. I'm internally linking to the car accident city pages. Now, if we want to build even more depth, because now you can see we have a category or a folder that's car accidents. This right here is optimized for the state. Here's our city. Now, Chris, I want to build more relevance. I want to have I want to have supporting content. Excellent. I don't blame you, and you should. Now, when we're building out our supporting pieces of content, it will look much like this. We have chrispalmer.org/car accident /car accident lawyer Kingston, okay, / what is the average cost of a Kingston, PA car accident lawyer. Okay, I just did this for an example. All right, now we have supporting pieces of content that are also internally linking directly back to our car accident page. So this page here is linking to this page. Okay, so now we have depth. Do you see these levels? I have my website, I have the car accident category, then I have my car accident city pages, and then I have my service informational supporting pages, right? See the structure here? I hope you can see this here. Let me just back this up. See the structure? Website, car accidents is the category where we only operate in one state. That's my state page. I'm talking about being a car accident lawyer in Kingston, and then I have my supporting pieces of content to support my topic plus location. Now, you can build your supporting content each level of each way. I've made topical relevance, topical map videos targeting this, but what I wanted to talk about in this video was the internal linking. You only internally link, cross-link, to your other location pages. So if I'm on my car accident page, I internally link to all of my pages that have to do with car accidents in that particular state. The states or the cities that I target are here. So when I'm on my car accident page, I'm internally linking to all my city pages. My city pages can internally link to each other, 1,000%. This same block is going to be on this page too. I'm internally linking all my car accident lawyer pages that are in Pennsylvania or in a particular county, in a particular state, or a particular city, okay? I hope this makes sense to you. The person that asked this question, I hope this has helped you out. If you have any other questions related to, small business SEO questions, internal linking for small business, please ask in the section below. If you need some better help, if you need more help, please reach out, go to chrispalmermarketing.com, and I, of course, look forward to seeing you in the next Small Business SEO, how to internally link your location pages video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. See ya. Bye-bye.